really cool. It had a dual end. So one end, I always use it a lot for the details, and it's had the red cap there. Don't do the red cap when you're receiving it. You are getting so excited. So, oh my god, I'm gonna throw it away. To keep those, because those will keep your needle stay nice and not clogging, and also is keep it from having like just in case you are laying it down, it's not gonna get stuck and then spilling for you. And on the other end is the precision brush, so that is allow you to using more precision glue gels just in case you need it. For instance, if my nails here with a lot of frame right here, I can using precision glue gels in the brush on the side of the brush, so then that way I can cover the larger surface without spending like a lot of time on it. It won't take a lot of time, but then it's gonna load you more precision glue gel instead of just on the really precise end. So you have an option of using both ends as you needed it. And this design, I am going to using in this size. I'm able to seal like really precise on the smaller beads and smaller charm. You can using the bristle as well as you prefer. I'm gonna seal. And then make sure you seal all the beads and the frame. You don't want to seal on the top of the crystal because you're going to destroy all the sparkle and the shine from it. So try to avoiding it to getting on it. Just in case you get on it, wipe it off, remove it with alcohols. So then that way when you cure, it will not affecting your sparkle and the shines and the cut. So now I'm go ahead and cure. And then also when you are after you cure, you feel like scratchy here still, scratchy here still, you can always seal it again as you prefer. Here for 60 seconds of this beauty, and we are going to do this. It's so cute and stunning today. It's just such a really easy and simple designs today. I mean the designs for you to having fun. I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to see all your beautiful designs when you're receiving the box and having fun with your gift card to shop again with Glitz. I'm so excited because then you get $50 of a gift card to shop.
You know what I realized?
What did you realize?
So on that design you're working on right now, this looks like a palm tree. You shoot from the bottom up, and all your crystal is all the coconut.
Huh? You want coconut now? That's why you imagining it is?
Why not? Like this is just a really coconut tree, and it grow all over the tree. That's just the top.
Oh, for real? Okay. That's good imagining. It looks cute though. It's like coconut. So yeah, you probably. But so if you're seeing me using the precision glues, precision size of the brush in the detail brush, because I am blending the precision glue gel. If you see that, and when I squeeze it out, I have a little bit extra one, the excess one, I am blending it out. So then when you are curing it, it will not having issue, or it doesn't look flaw. It might look lumpy and bumpy. So I'm gonna blend it first before I cure, because when you cure, it's gonna set. So you want to blend it first to make sure that it's not going to making a huge lumps there. Let me show the camera really quick.